community service. According to famous philosopher Howard Zinn, small acts, when multiplied by millions of people, can transform the world. But what does it mean by small acts? In community, as a youngster, I am saddened by any kind of trash and litter thrown in small pieces. Especially in places where it doesn't belong. Because I know this small amount of litter when combined together with some amount of mountain of garbages. Littering is a dangerous activity and should not be taken lightly. It is my responsibility to simply pick up trash. And put them in right places. A simple help to keep my community clean, a simple act to bring a sense of responsibility that can prevent illness and sickness. My simple act of sweeping fallen leaves will keep our park clean, especially nowadays that cleanliness should be practiced at all times. My simple act to give service to my community, which develops my social responsibility.
Ako po si Francisco Manabat ng Santa Ines, Bacolod, Pampanga, Barangay Chief ng Barangay Santa Ines. Kami po mga tanod, kabilang ang mga sa community, in-encourage po namin ang lahat ng tao para tumulong sa pag-maintain ng kalinisan ng aming komunidad at barangay. Meron po kami programa ng mga road clearing, grass cutting, paglilinis at pagpupulot ng mga basura tuwing Sabado. Ginagawa po namin yon. Ni-involve po namin ang lahat ng sa komunidad, sa mga taga-baryo, sa taga-barangay para tumulong sa atin. Dahil napaka-importante po ng kalinisan dito sa ating komunidad at lalo-lalo na sa kabuuan ng ating bansa.
Being aware of what your community needs and sharing even just simple acts means a lot. Remember, there is no power for change greater than a community discovering what it cares about. And that is community service. I'm Gabriel Community Soldier of Sincere Gratitude. Till our next vlog!